Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. Welcome to episode 2 of building a Ryzen gaming PC for £333.94. Last episode I bought a small NR200p case for this build. Now I need to find a motherboard, and after searching eBay, I stumbled across this listing of a Ryzen 5 2600X, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and a Gigabyte B450M-H motherboard for £137 with shipping. Officially, the NR200p takes a motherboard size of 244 by 226 millimeters, and the Gigabyte B450M-H is listed as 244 by 205, so I bought it as quickly as possible, and here it is. It's wrapped without anti-static care, which is a little concerning. Crossed fingers, it has survived. Now, let's see if it fits. Oh no, it seems that Gigabyte managed to mix up the height and width in their measurements. It doesn't seem to fit. I have an idea what might just work. I'll remove the PSU extension cable for now to make some more room for this motherboard. It seems that this crazy idea might just be possible with the magic of zip ties and hope. To reduce the risk of shorts, I'm going to use this cardboard tape, which was on the box the motherboard came in, to cover the metal standoffs. Now that I've done that, the board seems to align quite well. The PS2 ports look to be a bit blocked, but I'm not going to be using them, so it'll be fine. I'll secure the board now using zip ties. While I go, I'll use this older GPU to make sure that the PCIe slots stay aligned. I'll plug in the front panel headers, USB, sound, and I/O. Now it's time for the power supply. For an insane project like this, I'm going to repurpose a high quality power supply. This PSU has many safety features, and it cost $34.99 a few years ago. I didn't think about PSU size requirements. The NR200 only takes ATX PSU when you use a 3D printed adapter, so I've opted for zip ties yet again. Now for something much more simple, the single 8 gigabyte stick of RAM. I'll give it and the slot a quick dusting before clicking it into place. nice and easy. And lastly, for this episode is to see if the power flows without it either exploding or shorting. So far, so good. Spinning fans and no explosions. The current cost is at £244.49, which leaves us just under £90 to get a GPU and an SSD before finally running benchmarks to see how good the Budget RYZEN Gaming PC actually is. If you have any ideally free games you want me to test on it in the next video, leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll be finishing up the final episode in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. Till vi möttes igen. Ha det!